In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Tank Stars mod menu, latest version, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method allows you to unlock powerful features, including unlimited coins and diamonds, along with multiple in-game hacks that work across platforms. As you can see on the screen, the Tank Stars mod menu includes a wide range of options, such as God Mode, one-hit kill, free upgrades, unlimited coins, unlimited diamonds, and much more. These features are designed to give you a significant advantage and enhance your overall gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Tank Stars game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Tank Stars, and check whether an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to proceed. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've provided step-by-step instructions there explaining exactly where and how to get Tank Stars Double Plus. Follow the steps carefully, and you should have the mod menu installed in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.